Hello my crafty friends, it's Arva. Welcome back to my channel. I am here with what I received back from the Kit and Caboodle swap, which was hosted by Brittanee and her Facebook group, BB's Crafty Peeps. And for this swap, we were to decorate one of the makeup cases that looked like the old Caboodles from Dollar Tree. If we couldn't find one of those, then a pencil case, something of that vein. And we were to include 2 sets of 2 embellishments, a sequins mix, a bead mix, a charm mix, a trim sample, 6 double-sided or 12 single-sided designer paper, and 4 coordinating color cardstocks, and 8 various sized cut-aparts. My partner was Andrea. I will leave a link to her Instagram and her YouTube because I'm hoping that she'll start making videos in the description box below. And I'll also leave a link to the Facebook group because I'm sure we would love to have you come join us, and to Brittanee's YouTube channel. So this is what Andrea sent me. So let's get into it. She altered this cute little wooden jewelry box, and she's got little foam flowers and the word friend. So cute. And she's got these cute little acrylic hearts on the front, and she's decorated the inside. So cute. This one just opens that way. I love the colors that she picked. So pretty. She's got foam flowers on the sides. Very pretty. Then we have this pretty layered rosette. She's got a little cotton candy here, and it says live life happy. She's got a crepe paper rosette under there, and then some mesh. Very pretty. I love her layering. These may be one set of her embellishments because this is another one of those rosettes. Very pretty. I love these colors. Okay. This bag, it looks like the cutter parts. So we have some, I guess those are 1 by 1. It says hey, it says shine bright, probably 1.5. But anyway, this one says dazzle, thrive, no bad days. I like that. Good vibes only. I've got sunshine on a cloudy day. That's beautiful. And create beautiful things. These are great. I like those. And then here is her pattern paper. She's got lemons on the back, lemons on the front. I love the collection that she used. Gives pretty tropical flowers. Stripe on this side and some bathing suits on the other. I guess now they're called swimsuits. I guess I'm showing my age. Some red and white polka dot. It says summer in the gradient. It's black with blue polka dots. It's more of the tropical flowers. I think this is an Echo Park collection. And then the yellow with the waves. And then this beautiful, looks almost like a sunset. And then she included these 4 colors that look perfect with that collection. Then she's included these really pretty bows. Love her little bag topper. She's got some of that tinsel and then a crepe paper bow. So cute. And here she's used some silk flowers, some of the eyelash trim, and then she used the curling ribbon to make a bow, and then put a gem in the middle. Very pretty. And now here is her case, and look at how pretty it is. I've not seen one like this, and she's added ribbon with these really pretty bright summer colors around. She's got a bow with the little heart that says magic. This is actually mesh that you use for wreaths. What a great way to use that. And then she's got my name here. She's stamped and colored it out. So cute. She's got bling. She's got, I don't know if you can see that little clear peace sign. It's so cute. One over here. And she's got a pink doily in the back. This is so cute. She's got a ruffle here. She's got some of the ruffling behind that. It's really, really cute. She's got an accordion fold ruffle, and then one of the ones that you guys know what I'm talking about, even if I don't. So let's open it up. So in here, we have her charm mix. Oh, how cute. I had to pause the video because I wanted you guys to really be able to see these cute little clay pinwheels. I like to play with clay, but I don't know that I'll ever get this good. These are really cute. But it makes me want to try, I can tell you that. That is adorable. And then she included this ribbon, and it has the days of the week. And then she included this sequin mix. She's got some little popsicles in there, some small stars, large stars, some jumbo pieces of sequin, and then some smaller ones. Really nice mix. Love the vibrant colors. And when they're this size, I can actually go through and pull out colors that I need. I like that. I don't think I have any sequin bits that large. And in the bottom here, she has some bag toppers, it looks like. Look at those. Aren't those adorable? These are so cute. I recognize this paper because I have it. So this is perfect because I do have this collection. Very, very pretty. Oh, uh-oh. Oh, look, it's a banner. How cute. I have a short name, so I can get it all in the camera. And she's got my name, RVA, and then she's got different little ephemera pieces all over and bling. It says you did it. This is so pretty. I cannot wait to hang that in my craft room. So, so pretty. Thank you so much, Andrea. She's got tulle behind there, some grosgrain ribbon. It is really pretty, guys. Okay. And then we have two more embellishments. She's put these two cute little aprons. They are adorable. And then here we have, oh, some of those erasers. Another cute bag topper. And these erasers, some are shaped like unicorns. Some are shaped like cupcakes. Some have, these red ones have the cherries. The pink ones don't have the cherries. These are so cute. And I've seen a lot of people turn things like this into charms. These are really very cute. Thank you so much. And then she included this super cute unicorn bead mix. Love the different colors. That's so cute. And it just goes right along with her theme. And then she included some rainbow stickers. She really did a great job. Thank you so much, Andrea. I appreciate everything you sent me. And I really enjoyed chatting back and forth with you. And I hope that you've been inspired, because there's never a perfect time to start doing videos. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much and have a blessed day. Bye.